Puerto Rico is known for its beaches and its islands, but if you're looking for hiking and adventure, the Central Mountain region is where you want to visit. Last night we drove an hour from San Juan to the town of Barranquitas, where we stayed at an Airbnb with an amazing view.
So we started our morning with a hike here at Cerro Mime in Orocovis. It's about a mile up and down. It's not a long hike, but it's really uphill, so it's very, very hard. But the payoff with the views is just unbelievable. It's amazing.
Every breath holds a moment. Everyone a chance.
The entrance to the hike is actually on a residential road. It doesn't seem like it would be a trailhead, but it is. There's only space for like 2 cars, so it's pretty likely you'll be on this entire trail alone, which I think we are. We haven't seen anyone yet, so that might be the best part so far. So as you can see, it's a pretty tough hike. I mean, it's short, but you're going straight up, so you get all sweaty in the altitude. But I mean, the views are just amazing up here. And we've been here for a while now, and nobody else has been up here. We tried to take the drone up, but it got a little too windy, so we thought we were gonna lose another drone.
I think emotionally we're not prepared to do. The other thing that I love about this cerro is that if you look around the other cerros, they have like trees, but this one is just this short like grass. I mean, short compared to a tree.
After enjoying this private mountain view, we're gonna head out and get some much needed food. So now we made it to Barranquitas. It's a small mountain town here in the central region. We're gonna walk to get lunch at El...
Sorry. Ouch.
We're gonna walk to get lunch at El Mofongo. So for lunch here in Barranquitas, we stopped at a place called Mofongo. And I actually got the dish that is called Mofongo. That's what it's called, right?
Yes.
And that is plantains fried, mashed, and then mixed with garlic, salt, olive oil, and then topped with a meat. And so here we have the Mofongo with beef, which looks amazing and smells great, and a Mofongo with chicken. And then we accidentally kind of got a third one too. So we have so much food to eat here. I'm gonna try the actual Mofongo. It's good. It kind of reminds me of a cornbread, but with like a garlicky taste. I like it. I think it's gonna be good with the beef on it too. The beef is good.
I just got lomo al ajillo, and there's just beef on the garlicky sauce with white rice and the typical habichuelas or beans that we like, as we call it in Costa Rica.
Whoa! So after lunch in Barranquitas, we're driving back across the mountains to Orocovis to check out the Chorro de Doña Juana waterfall. This waterfall is actually just along the side of a road, so you can pull off and get cool pictures, go for a swim. We're probably not going to do that because we think that our homofonias are getting to us. So that was Chorro de Doña Juana. I think it's a little light right now. It's usually a little heavier from pictures I've seen. And like I said, it's right on the side of the road, so it's an easy stop. It's just a little windy, so no droning.
Our last stop of the day is at a place called El Banquillo. It's at the limit of Orocovis and Villalba. It's not a hike, it's just a place that you drive to. It's more of an overlook. You drive, you park, you walk about 50 meters, 75 meters, and there's gonna be a little bench, and that's what El Banquillo means, the little bench.
So we've been up here a while now, not a single other person has come up here, so we've had this whole entire view to ourselves, and it has got to be one of the most tranquil places we've ever been.
It's super quiet, you can hear all the coqui frogs. It is amazing. It also changed my idea of what Puerto Rico is, because when I think of Puerto Rico, all I can think is Old San Juan, sun, sweat, heat.
And that's what I said at the beginning of this vlog too, like Puerto Rico is known for its beaches, but if you want to hike and adventure, you got to come out to the central mountain region because this is incredible.
It is amazing. It is beautiful.
So now we're going to head down for the night to our next destination, which is Ponce, and that's where you'll see us in the next episode.
Toodaloo.